Hello everyone, welcome to Projects with Gaurang. In this video, we are going to discuss dynamic attributes. In Svelte, we can bind different types of attributes like ID, class, style, image sources, and even Boolean attributes like disabled. So let's see an example. For this, we are going to use these curly braces which we saw in previous videos. So for this, first let's define a constant. So constant heading ID equal to heading. Now here it's true. This is a heading, and here we are going to define the ID attribute. So we will use heading ID. Save it. And see here we have a heading. Now to check the attribute, we are going to use this inspect element. So here you can see. Don't worry about this class for now. See this, we have the ID heading here. Now one more thing about this is that if your a variable name and your property name is same, you can use a shorthand notation. So if I replace it with ID, here also ID, so I can skip this part. I can use directly this. So it will automatically map this ID to the attribute ID. Save it. And here you can see nothing is changed. That means our ID is properly assigned to the H2 element to which we wanted to assign it. Now let's see one more example with a Boolean attribute. For this I'm going to use a button which will be tilt me. And here we can have a const disabled equal to true. And here we can use the shorthand. Save it. And here you can see I'm not able to click this button. Also, if you are using inspector, you can also see here, see disabled attribute is present. Now if I change it to false, see what happens. Now the button is active, but if I look at the attributes here, there is no disabled attribute. One thing you need to remember about the Boolean attributes is that if they are set to their default values, like here with button, the disabled equal to false is its default value, so it will not appear here. So keep that in mind when using Boolean attributes. So that's all for this video. We will see more concepts in upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned and bye.